Hello everyone, welcome to Logic Course. This video I'll explain you to find whether the given number is a prime number or not. So let's get into the program. So first initialize two integer variables I and num. Next I ask the user to enter the number. So let's say the user had given the value as 5. So it checks whether the user had given 1. If num equal to 1, then it will print smallest prime number is 2. The prime number starts from 2. So next we are going for a for loop which starts with 2 and less than the number and incremented. So I is equal to 2 at the beginning, and we are going for an if condition, that is num mod I is equal to 0. We know the num value is 5, so 5 mod I is 2, which is equal to 1. So this is not equal to 0, so this won't execute. So it will go to the loop again. Now the I is incremented, so it will be 3. Now it checks the condition again, num mod I. So 5 mod 3. So this is equal to 2. It is not equal to 0, so again this won't execute. It will go to the loop again. I is incremented, so I value is 4 now. So 5 mod 4. And this time it is 1, not 0. So again this won't be executed. It will go to the loop again, and I is incremented. I is 5 now, but here inside this loop I is less than num, so we got the value num is 5 and we got I is equal to 5. It should be less than 5, so it will exit from this loop and go for an if condition. If num equal to I, num is 5, I is also 5, so it will print prime number. So let's run this program. Let's give the number 5 itself prime number. Let's give another prime number. Let's give 17. That is also a prime number. Let's give 10. Not a prime number. So that's all about this program. And if you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.